PSA Group started thinking about its used car remarketing strategy in late 2010. The problem we had is that we couldn't publish all our stock same time to different buyer types in various sales sessions. As a consequence, we were holding too much stock due to extended time to market, and the financial losses weren't acceptable anymore. From a buyer point of view, we couldn't provide the car details expected by our clients. After a tender process, we came to the conclusion that the best way and the fastest and most efficient way was to buy a solution off the shelf. We started the discussion with RMS Automotive in the second half year of 2011 and signed the contract in January 2012. We were preparing the integration of Move. Move is the name of RMS platform in our own IT system environments. We could operate the first transactions in March 2013 end to end, and 1 month later the first country was live. It took us roughly 12 months to roll out the 7 major European countries. 10 countries are live for all 3 brands of PSA Group, and we could register over 430,000 transactions from beginning. Move is a major contributor in reducing our stock levels. We can open various sales sessions and we are able to publish all our cars to different buyer types same time. The sales are open 24/7. There is a full transparency for our buyers, and our auditors can check everything about our transactions. Over 80% of our transactions are facilitated by Move. All our dealers have an access to Move. Move is in fact a major contributor in increasing our stock rotation by 40% in 2 years. Before Move, PSA was strongly direct sales oriented. After 2 years, we could reach a ratio of 50% of online sales. RMS Automotive is a major partner of PSA Group for 5 years now. They are professional, reliable and experienced. I mean by experienced, they are remarketing specialists and we are speaking the same language.